Hey everyone, did you know that you can learn at MyWebUniversity.com? You can learn Linux commands, and you can even practice it online using your browser. Let me show you how. So you visit MyWebUniversity.com. You can visit one of the chapter 2, 3, or 4. So let's say I'm on chapter 4, and I have these tables, and each one of these commands you click, I will either show you documentation or the actual command that you can run. So in this case, I'm going to show you the advanced packaging tools. And then this one on the Linux Ubuntu Debian version, you can say what is apt and then what is apt-get, apt-cache, apt-sources, .less, and all these packaging tools are available for you. And then here they give you what they are. And then here you can also do apt-help. So you get an output from my help on the Linux. As soon as you run this command, you get the output below. You can see it creates it dynamically. So for each of the command I show you here, you just click it as if you're on a Windows machine, but it runs it on my Linux server, and then the output is shown as you can see for the command above here. It shows the command that you clicked on, and it should like apt search open SSH. It will search for open SSH, as you can see here. This is the open SSH package that is being searched. And if you do app list, the open SSH is listed. Here, app open app to show open SSH dash client. It will show the client version of it, what version we have. So you can do app followed by install, app list, app show, app search. All of those commands are available. And then also, if you're interested to learn further commands, for example, let's say you're learning the tar command or ganzip. I'm just showing you some of these examples because you cannot run it on the web server. So I give you documentation here that you can just see my examples that I already did it with each of the example, and you can just learn from that. So a lot of documentation is available, as you can see here with practicing. Those ones you can do that. And then similarly, for example, if you look at the command like PS3, process stream 3. You can see here, I'm giving you the process stream 3, display a tree of processes. This is similar to the 3 command on the Solaris. But when you do a PS3 on $, that is your shell or board shell or fork shell, whatever C shell or shell that is your default shell, it will show that. When you do a PS on the on the process 1, that is the system D, the main process, which was used to be on system 5 release 4, and it now it's system D owns this process ID number 1. And you can see that the process stream 3 is really huge. So I have that out. And then you can also get, like, for example, say you're looking for system D command, right? So you click on this one. I'm just showing you how to use systemctl, which is the actual system control command for the system D. In order to check the status of Apache, you do systemctl status space Apache. You get the Apache processes listed here. And then you see that it's dynamic. Similarly, if you want that process on the SSHD, you can do status on SSHD. Obviously, you can change the status to stop. That will stop it, and then you can do a start it, or restart, or stop and restart. So that's, and then also you can get the map 4 pages for each one of them using my website here that you can do. Once you're here, you can just run any command. Like, for example, you say PS3, then you will get the output for the manual pages of PS3. And similarly, if you do system CTL, you will get the system CTL. Any command that you do, here you just get it. So let's do another command like grep command. pgrep and grep, all those ones, pgrep, all those ones are listed. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this one, and then just join in to MyWebUniversity.com, and then either at my YouTube channel, go there, visit the YouTube channel, watch these videos online, or just go to the first kind of like page here that is the direct path you want to, and start learning and practice everything on using a browser. You don't need to install virtual machine or Docker or any VMware or any Linux machine. All you need is internet access and browser. And then as long as you are using the default browser, you should be able to practice the basic Unix and Linux command, intermediate, and then advanced, as well as shell programming and get into documentation. There's a lot of thousands of PDF documentation on my website that I built it for you. So you're welcome to just also visit that. So like, for example, if I do a control N here and then say PS3, and the PS3 process comes in here, you just click on it and then just start reading it and understand. Every command that is there, the 6,600 commands, I have the PDF file for it online, and you just are welcome to just use it. So this is like 6-page documentation, but some of them are longer. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is MyWebUniversity Free Education of Eagles. And you're welcome to just go there by just visiting HTTPS and then say www.youtube.com, and then after the .com, here you just say at MyWebUniversity, that's the handle, and then you go to visit our channel and subscribe to our channel. And I would really appreciate if you guys for supporting the poor Afghan innocent little girls that are just kind of like not allowed to go to college or school anymore. So that would be nice if everybody have a voice for it, and then let the Afghan girls learn. God bless you all. Take care. Bye.